Realme has announced the Realme P1 5G mobile phone, the first phone of this new P series to compete in the economic and medium price category, as the company targets young users who love social media and games. In this video, we will learn about the full specifications of the Realme P1 5G phone and open the box, and finally we will learn about the price. Let's start the video. Welcome my friends to a new video in mobile world. First, the normal specifications. Start with design. The phone is made of plastic for the back and the side frame. The facade is made of glass. The phone is resistant to dust and light mist with an IP54 rating. Phone dimensions. Length 163 mm. Width 75.5 mm. The thickness is 8 mm. Weight 188 grams. The phone supports two 5G SIM cards. It also supports the fingerprint integrated into the screen and supports the Face Unlock facial recognition feature. It also supports NFC technology for electronic payment and close file transfer. It supports the OTG function to transfer files from the charging port. The phone supports stereo speakers. It supports photo, video and document editor. Android 14 operating system with Realme UI 5 interface. Key specifications. Battery. 5000 mAh, 45 watt fast charger, and Type-C charging port. The phone charges 50% of the battery capacity in 27 minutes. Screen specifications. The 6.6-inch AMOLED screen comes with full HD+ quality and supports 16.7 million colors with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a brightness of 1200 nits, and a pixel density of 395 pixels per inch. It has a 0.68 mm protection layer. Software and hardware. Therapist. Media. Tech Dimensity 7050 octa-core 6nm manufacturing technology Mali G68 MC4 graphics processor. RAM and internal and external memory. The phone comes in more than one version. The first version 6GB RAM with 128GB memory. The second edition 8GB RAM with 256GB memory. RAM is automatically doubled through software. The phone does not support the installation of a memory card. Cameras. Background with LED flash. The first lens is 50MP primary lens with 1.8 aperture. The second lens is 2MP with an aperture of 2.4, a depth sensor for the isolation function. The rear cameras support HDR, panorama, slow shooting, night photography, and 1080p full HD video shooting with a capture rate of 30 and 60 frames per second. As for the front camera, 16MP with a 2.5 aperture, it supports shooting videos in full HD with a resolution of 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. The contents of the phone box. Phone USB Type-C cable, shipper pod, screen protector, metal pin, user guide, warranty. Price. Priced $192. This is the world price for the lowest version of RAM 6 and 128GB. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, do not skimp on our support, click like, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook. See you in a new video.